Hayden, my brother. It was like some, maybe it was Monsters of Rock or one of those old tours or something. And I was sitting out on stage looking at that motherfucker run around with those tight-ass pants and that long hair. And I had Eddie up there, and I'm like, Jesus Christ, and now I've turned exactly into that guy. I don't know what happened, but I've become Bruce Dickinson. But I can't play soccer or fly a plane. Anyway. Do you guys feel like getting crazy, or do you want to keep it mellow tonight? How many people want to get fucking nuts? Raise your hand. How many people want to just keep it mellow? Raise your hand. Okay. You, and you. Well, be nice about it. If you want to be mellow, go grab a pillow from your dorm room and get up there in the bleachers and fuck somebody in the stands. Fucking under the bleachers is the most fun. It's better than a bed, trust me. If anybody would like to fuck later under the bleachers, I'm willing. I'll have you know though, I'm not always gentle and I'm not always polite. Just be warned. And that goes for you too, buddy. Alright, let's have some fucking fun. You ready? I'm sick as a fucking dog, and I'm gonna go fucking nuts. I'm gonna kick your ass all fucking night. I hope you're ready for it. So here it goes. This is what we're gonna do first. Everybody from the middle, somebody raise your hand right there in the middle. The guy said he wanted to be mellow. Okay, right there, you fucker. I got my eye. You think I can't see people out there? I see every single one of you. I see this guy over here who wouldn't jump. I got him registered this American Apparel girl over here. The chick over here that looks like she's on the hills. This guy over here that's stoned out of his fucking mind. Put your bottle away. I see you all. I've got the fucking microphone. It's my turn to have a big mouth. Okay? So, from my buddy with the bowl haircut. Yes, you. Oh, no, it's okay. I used to have that too. I gave it a Zac Efron. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. See this guy right here? Okay. Everybody that's behind him right there. On the count of 3, I want you to take 3 giant steps forward. 1, 2, 3. Step it forward. I recommend that you get as close as possible. You're going to want to be here later in the show. That's all I'm going to say. And trust me, you're going to want to be up front. So, if you're in the stands, you have my permission, get down on the fucking floor right now. Don't go crazy, people. If you want to be safe and hang with your grandmother, stand there in the stands. Now we're going to do a little test. This is the middle right here, right? Are you crazy fucking? This is the right here. This is the left right here. Okay. Everybody on the right, make some noise. Well, you just kicked their fucking asses. I'm getting ready. Is everybody excited yet? I want to see some people up on each other's shoulders. The first person gets to come on stage for Kings of Kings. Do it.